If you're looking to boost precision and ease when using your touchscreen, the Crosstech 3 Plus Stylus replacement is a smart choice. Designed to fit most capacitive touchscreen devices, this stylus lets you navigate your phone, tablet, or even ATM and keypad screens with smooth, effortless control. What sets the Crosstech 3 Plus apart is its versatility. While the stylus itself replaces the original on your Crosstech 3 Plus pen, the pen's unique design lets you switch between a black ballpoint, a red editing pen, and a pencil. This means you get multiple writing tools in one sleek package, though note, the pen itself isn't included when you buy the stylus replacement. The stylus features a wide 8mm tip that glides smoothly across screens, making it ideal for precise tapping and swiping. Plus, it unscrews to reveal a handy eraser, adding a layer of convenience whether you're sketching or editing on the go. It's a simple way to keep your workflow seamless and your screen smudge-free. Using your own stylus also promotes a safer, more hygienic workspace. Whether you're handling shared devices like ATMs or office keypads, having your personal stylus reduces contact and keeps things cleaner. That's a practical benefit worth considering in today's environment. Customers across the U.S. have praised this replacement stylus for its smooth performance and durability. One reviewer mentioned how it works great even under heavy use, noting that while the original CrossPen is a premium product, the stylus itself delivers excellent value and long-lasting service. If you've already experienced the convenience of the Crosstech 3 Plus pen, upgrading with this stylus replacement keeps your device interaction sharp and comfortable. It's worth a look if you want a reliable tool that complements your existing pen and enhances your touchscreen experience. Ready to improve your accuracy and multitask with ease? The Crosstech 3 Plus Stylus replacement offers a simple upgrade that fits right into your daily routine. Try it when you're ready to add precision and versatility to your mobile device setup.